Teardown Step 6. UPS Power Down. First, locate the white power button on the front of the UPS. Press and hold this button down until the alarm sounds and the green light turns off. This means the UPS is off. Unplug the UPS from the wall outlet and locate the UPS box. Open the box and set the UPS inside. Wrap the cord, placing it inside with the UPS, and close the box as shown. Next, wrap all other extension cords and power strips, and set them inside the black cord bag. Zip the cord bag to close it, and then place both the UPS box and cord bag on the storage caddy.